Hi, I'm Mary. I'm a retired teacher from Forest Grove, Oregon, and I teach explicit phonics. And we are here in our 33rd lesson, explicit phonics vocabulary. You should have your vocabulary book that you write down what I have written here, and your practice book is where you repeat them. You do your homework and write them 5 more times, very slowly, and marking them like I'm showing you right now. Our first word tonight, and this is a very long bracket. This is 5 words, okay? First one is two. Two. And it has a silent W. Don't ask me why. Ah-oh-oo, that's the third sound of that phonogram. Two is one more than one. Two. Next one, twin. I have twin grandsons. Twin. T. W. I. N. No markings. One syllable. Next one, twice. I'm hearing a pattern. T. W. This one you can hear, so I'm not going to double underline it. T. W. Ice. This is silent final E, job 2. We can put 1 because it's both 1 and 2. So anyway, next one is another word in this family. This is a big family. 20. 20. 2 syllables, 2 sound parts. Tw. N. T, second syllable. 20. And the last one is 12. 12. T. W. L. V. And that is silent final E, job 4. These are all bracketed because they're in the same family. And I'm going to continue going forward with will. Will. I made out my will. That is where I want all my belongings to go after I die. Will. We often double L, S, and F in one syllable with a short vowel. Will. Next one. In fact, Riggs does not even mark that. Next one is can. Can. A can be something that holds food, a can of peas. Or it can be a verb, I can swim. That verb is helping the verb swim. It's an action word. So we're going to say k, a, n, ks. We don't have to mark that because it's the first sound of that phonogram. Next one, shall. Shall. This word is not used very much. It's an old-fashioned word. I shall go to the movies. Shall. We often double F, L, and S after a single vowel in one syllable. Next one, may and might. I may do the dishes tonight if I have enough energy. May, two-letter A that we do use at the end of English words. Might. I might do the dishes tonight. They're called modal verbs, which you don't have to know that. Might. Three-letter I, one syllable. Next one, would. Another modal verb, would. She would like to win the game. And that is ow, o, oo, That is the fourth sound of that phonogram. Would. And these all rhyme. Could. Conditional. Could. Should. Should. Would, could, should. Let's go ahead and go to the next lesson. This is list 8. Week and week. This week, E-double-E always says E. Week is 7 days. But there's another word that sounds like it, weak. And it is a person who is not strong. They sound the same, but they're different words. They mean different things. Next one is mile. She has a mile to go. Silent final E, job 1. And the plural of that is just add an E. Add an S, sorry. And that is the second sound of that phonogram. Mile and miles. Sent. Sent. He sent a letter right away. Sent. No markings. They're all the first or only sounds of those phonograms. Scent, a different kind of scent, and sense. Second sound of that phonogram, and this means penny. A cent is a penny. And more than one cent is cents, plural of penny. And there's one more word here. Sense. I can sense when you don't feel confidence. I can sense that. I see your body language. Got fear face. Sense. So these are all bracketed. Sense. One syllable. And that's enough for this lesson. Remember, use your practice notebook, write the words 5 times slowly and carefully, and write some sentences. Sentences always start with a capital, and they end with punctuation. Okay? And you can, here's some things to get you started. You sent a letter. Thank you for reading, and I'll see you next time.